How does this drone fly on Mars? And it's impossible. This has a simple science behind it. Let's start from the Earth. And how does the drone flies? It's simple thing a motor and the rotor blade. Okay. When the rotor blade starts to spin, air molecules present in the atmosphere brings down and flows up, and this is called thrust force. Let's go to the Mars. Mars has different from Earth, and this has 20 grams of molecules, whereas in Earth it has 1.29 kilograms of air molecules. At first they tried to put a more battery because of the more weight, so it can't fly high as much as possible. Second, it's a simple science behind it. They just increases the rotor plate height so it can easily take down the air molecules at the ground and fly through the sky. If we increase the height of the rotor blade and if we fly in the earth, this can't fly because of the instability. Let's go and check the demonstration.